Hello dear comrades. Welcome to my channel. Have fun with coding. Welcome again comrades. Again we will see to solve a problem of SQL in HackerRank. Today, we will solve revising the select query 2. Let's solve the problem. The problem says to find the city names of America that having population more than 1,20,000 and the country code is USA. Now, I am selecting my SQL to write the query. Now, I will click to run the query. HackerRank is processing the query. And, yes, my code is successfully solved the problem. Now I will submit it. Hurrah! I have achieved 10 points. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more updates.